Apple TV just got a whole lot smarter, and it's finally fixing the one thing that has been driving users crazy for years. If you've ever had a guest stay over or tried to set up a profile for your kids, you know the struggle. In the past, Apple forced everyone to have a full-blown Apple account just to have their own space on the screen. It was a massive headache. But with the latest tvOS 26.2 update, Apple has finally introduced local profiles. This means you can now create custom spaces for anyone in your house without needing a single Apple ID. It's a total game changer for the living room. And today I'm going to show you exactly how it works and why you need to set it up right now. Think about how annoying it used to be. If you had a house guest or a younger child, their watch history would constantly mess up your personal recommendations. You'd open your Apple TV app and see cartoons or random shows you never watched. Now, you act as the administrator. You can create unit-specific local profiles that are managed entirely by your main account. It keeps your watch list and your history nice and clean while giving everyone else their own separate sandbox to play in. It's perfect for temporary guests, kids, or even just a general family profile that doesn't belong to any one person. Setting this up is incredibly simple. You don't need to go through the long process of creating a new email or verifying a new Apple account. Just hop into your settings and head over to the Profiles and Accounts section. When you click Add New Profile, you'll see a new option. Instead of signing in with an Apple account, you can simply select Create Profile. From here, you give it a name, like Guest or Kids, and pick a fun icon. They've got everything from sports symbols to goofy smiley faces to make it feel personalized. The best part for parents is the built-in management. When you create a local profile, you can toggle a switch to designate it as a kid profile. This gives you instant access to content restrictions. You can go into the customization settings and choose the exact rating level allowed for that user. Whether you want to lock it down to tvOS 7 or allow up to PG-13, the granularity is fantastic. Only shows at or below your selected rating will show up. This gives you total peace of mind that the kids aren't stumbling onto mature content while you're in the other room. So, how does it actually look in practice? Once the profile is established, you can switch users by long pressing the home button on your Siri remote. When you jump into a brand new local profile, the Apple TV app acts like it's brand new. Your Up Next queue is completely empty. No Avengers, no Ender, no history. It is a total clean slate. This is exactly what we've been waiting for. It ensures that when your guests binge watch a random series, those episodes don't start popping up in your personal continue watching list the next day. However, there is one limitation you need to keep in mind. As of right now, this local profile feature mainly affects the core Apple ecosystem, specifically the Apple TV app. It doesn't automatically switch your profiles in third-party apps like Disney Plus or Netflix. Those apps still rely on their own internal profile systems. So, if you want a truly 100% separate experience, you'll still need to select the guest profile inside those specific apps. It's a small extra step, but hopefully, Apple will find a way to bridge that gap in future updates. When you're done with the profile, getting rid of it is just as easy as creating it. If your house guests have left, you just go back into your settings, select the profile, and hit delete. You'll have to confirm with your password to make sure it's not an accident, and then it's gone for good. It's a very flexible system that lets you keep your Apple TV organized and clutter-free. Honestly, this is the most practical update we've seen for tvOS in a long time. It finally recognizes that the Apple TV is a shared device, not a personal phone. By letting us create local, managed accounts, Apple has made the 4K box the ultimate device for families. It's fast, it's private, and it finally respects your personal watch history. If you haven't updated to 26.2 yet, go do it now and set up a guest profile. You'll thank me later when your recommendations stay exactly the way you want them. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that.